Ken Van Loo here with Real Estate 2022 Outlook. Everybody's all scared about interest rates. Listen, don't let anything stop you right now. There is tremendous opportunity in the real estate market. When things get chaotic and cycles begin, that's when you want to look to buy. In this market right now, there's people that are going to get in trouble, right? There's foreclosures that are going to happen, and that's where you can capitalize. But don't get concerned from an investor standpoint if interest rates are going up. Stick to the basics. Follow what is the investment criteria that you want to follow. If your project meets the investment criteria, it could be a win-win situation. But where are we really headed in 2022? There's nothing different. There's a tremendous housing shortage. We have to build. We have to keep pushing. I don't believe there's going to be a crash. There will be an adjustment like any other cycle. But today's interest rates should not be freaking people out. This is just 2022 Outlook. The interesting thing now is that markets are actually acting opposite. A lot of things are happening opposite. But if we stick to the basics and stick to the fundamentals of real estate investing, the beauty of it, the asset you never lose. Now, what's happening in the future related to this whole investing? Well, you can hear a lot about the shortage of housing. There's going to be a big boom and continuous boom of housing. There's going to be transformations related to retail properties that are sucking wind right now. Let's face it. Commercial office buildings, some have taken massive hits. Companies haven't decided what they want to do yet. All these fall into sometimes a little bit of a crystal ball, and that's where you have to be the innovator, and we can make a difference today in the future and outlook and what's happening. But in 2022, I'm really expecting things to continue to climb, which they are. The frenzy is starting to die down a little bit, but things will plateau. You're not going to see any real adjustments until next year. And really, there's a positive outlook for 2022. So, if you're buying your first home, it may not be the perfect time to buy your first home because things are going up. You obviously want to buy your first home when the market is slightly sliding down or when it's leveling off. And the key is you want to buy in an area that's going to grow, right? And for those of you who think that you may have bought something and you're worried about the value going down, don't sweat it, because over time, real estate's always going to come back. Stick in there, have a lot of faith. If you have any questions about real estate and how to master real estate investing, or just to learn a little bit about it, you can check out my book, The Modern Wealth Building Formula, How to Master Real Estate Investing. I also give you a lot of free gifts. You can check out the 11 Millionaire Secrets, the 10 Golden Nuggets, but check out my free book, The Modern Wealth Building Formula, at kenvanloo.com, and make it a great day. And I just want to thank you for listening.